Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to edit profile on TikTok. So what you do is click on your profile at the bottom here, and then you see edit profile, click on it, and then you can change your photo, change video, change your name, your username. You can add Instagram, add to your YouTube, so do any of this. Let's say I want to change my username. Let's say I'm changing to Kitty Cat 192. So I can save it now. Note, usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. When you change your username, you also change your profile link. Because you can see if I change this to 4 now, my profile link has also changed. But they say something to say this username is not available. I should start to try a new one. Let's say I want to 7, it's also not available. 3 is available. Okay, see that my profile link also is changing along with it. So let me put it back to the one I was using originally. So you see, if it's usable, it will mark it in green. If it's not usable, you see it in red. Like when I changed it to 6, was it 6 or 7 then? Yes, 6 wasn't available. You see, it gave me an X and said this username isn't available. Try a suggested username or enter a new one. So you must know that you can change your username once every 30 days. So once I've done that, I click on save. It's reminding me again that should I want to set this as my username, it can change only once every 30 days as I said. And it's done, it's saved. That is how to edit profile on TikTok.